So the first step is to blanch sweet corn kernels. I have taken 1½ cup of sweet corn. So to the boiling water, I'm going to add this and blanch it for just 1 minute on high flame. So after a minute, I'm going to turn off the flame and let's drain this. Drain off the excess water, and I'm going to keep this aside for 5 minutes until all the water drains off completely. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 3 tablespoons of corn flour and salt as required. Mix all the ingredients well. And now the sweet corn kernels are well coated with the flour, and now it's time to deep fry. Now the oil is hot. I'm going to drop in the sweet corn kernels and deep fry them until they turn crispy. And now it is perfectly done. I'm going to transfer this to a tissue paper. To the fried corns, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. You can adjust this according to your spice level. A pinch of salt. Half a teaspoon of chaat masala, 3 tablespoons of finely chopped onion. So let's mix everything well. Hope you can hear the sound, it's so crispy. And that's it. Our crispy fried sweet corn is now ready. It's a simple starter recipe. Definitely give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. See you guys next time with another video. Until then, take care. Bye.